This simple question opens the door to markets, restaurants, and souvenirs, but the way you ask it changes depending on the currency, the culture, and the level of formality. We'll learn the keywords, the polite structure, and how to spot a good deal. Grab your imaginary wallet and let's shop the world. We start simple. ¿Cuánto cuesta? This literally means, how much does it cost? If you want to be extra clear, point and ask, ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? How much does this cost? The French use a lovely shortcut, c'est combien? C'est combien? Literally, it is how much. It's casual, common, and perfect for a bakery or market stall. The German approach is precise. Wie viel kostet was? How much costs that? Simple, efficient, and always understood. Italian is very close to Spanish. ¿Cuánto costa? But here's a tip. To be polite, start with scusi, excuse me, and then ask your question. The crucial word here is ikura desu ka. Ikura means how much or how many, and that desu ka ending maintains the vital formality needed for a transaction. Korean is a concise language for this. You just need 얼마예요, 얼마예요. That 얼마 means how much, and the 예요 makes it polite. In Mandarin, you ask 두 샤오 qian, 두 샤오 qian. 두 샤오 means how many, how much, and qian is the word for money. You are asking how much money. From Arabic, we use a simple prepositional phrase. Become hada, become hada. Become means for how much, and hada means this. Simple and clear across many dialects. The Russian phrase is skolko stoit, skolko stoit. Skolko means how much, and stoit means it costs. Very logical. In Hebrew, the phrase is kama ze ole, kama ze ole. It literally means, how much does this go up in price? That's 10 ways to spend money. Did you notice how many languages use a word that literally translates to money or cost? It's fascinating how cultures phrase this concept. Here's a quick travel tip. When you ask this question in a market in Asia or the Middle East, be prepared to haggle. Asking politely is the first step, but never accept the first price if you feel it's too high. Always have your local currency ready to show you're serious. Just like Spanish, the phrase is ¿Cuánto cuesta? ¿Cuánto cuesta? If you're using it in Brazil, remember the currency is the real, real. In Hindi, you ask कितने का है? कितने का है? This means, of how much is it? You can also use the slightly more formal इसका दाम क्या है? What is the price of this? Turkish is wonderfully direct. You simply ask, ne kadar, ne kadar. It means how much. If you need to confirm, just point to the item. In Swahili, East Africa, you ask, bei gani. Bei is the word for price, and gani means which. You are asking, which price? The Greek phrase is poso kani. Poso kani. It literally means, how much does it do? A charming linguistic quirk. Time to apply those polite particles again. You say, raka taurai. Raka taurai. Raka means price. Remember to add ka or krap to the end for politeness. In Dutch, it's very similar to German or English. Hoeveel kost dat? Hoeveel kost dat? How much costs that? In Finnish, you ask, paljonko maksa. Paljonko maksa. Paljonko means how much, and maksa means to cost or to pay. In the Filipinos, you ask, magkano ito? Magkano ito? Magkano means how much, and ito means this. And yes, you can add po for politeness if you're speaking to an elder. And for our last one, from Hungarian, we ask, mennyibe kerül? Mennyibe kerül? This literally translates to, into how much does it get? you are now ready to tackle any market, kiosk, or souvenir shop in the world. From the directness of Turkish to the poetic cost phrases of Hungarian, you've mastered global shopping. Which phrase was your favorite to say, or which language are you most excited to try this out in? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this essential travel lesson, please hit that subscribe button. We'll keep expanding your multilingual toolkit every week. Next time, we tackle the perfect way to wrap up a great interaction. See you later in 20 languages. You won't want to miss it. Until then, happy shopping and tot ziens. Dutch for see you.